Hey guys, in this video I'm going to test the Fortnite games graphic quality on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra in low graphic mode. So here, if I go into settings, you can see the graphics quality has been set to low, running at 30 FPS. Now let's see how well it will cope with playing Fortnite on this device. Is it good enough to play Fortnite? So here at the moment, I'm just going to fly down to this red house. It does seem to be quite smooth on 30 FPS on low quality. There's no lagging at all. So at 30 FPS, it's not so bad. So let's do jumping here. So I'm just going to smack this ground. Don't think I can break it, so we'll walk around. Just pick up some log, walk around here, do jumping, pick up ammunition, so I'll pick the one up and then we go down to a lower level. And here I'm just gonna jump down. See someone standing here. So I'm just gonna pick up that weapon right here. There's a health drink. Oh, this is not health. So overall, I think it looks really great. And here, I think we have auto aiming as well, right there. So I'll swap one weapon. And here we've got another one. It's quite a lot of weapons here, so I'm just going to pick it up. So I'm just going to pick up this one right here. So this is a rifle. And pick up some brick as well, and here we can refill the energy. But yeah, overall, I think this game is this Galaxy S24 Ultra is perfectly fine playing Fortnite in low quality. There's no lag, everything seems to be quite smooth and give you a very good playing experience. I don't know what about high quality, as I'm unable to change it to high quality during the game. But that's it. So this is the test here, as you can see, for playing game in low quality at 30 FPS. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.